I'm Armand from commercebuild. In this video, I'm going to quickly explain why partners choose commercebuild. Simply put, we help you deliver e-commerce web stores and customer portals without taking on integration risk, and we pay a partner margin to do it. commercebuild is an ERP-first e-commerce platform, built for mid-market manufacturers, wholesalers, and distributors. Your customers already have their rich company data in their ERP. Products, pricing, customer-specific agreements, inventory, order history, it's all in the ERP, and that's where the truth lives. But when they choose a mainstream platform like Shopify or BigCommerce or Magento, all of that data has to be rebuilt and synced through connectors. And you've probably seen what happens next. Complex integrations, ongoing maintenance, support issues that land back on your team, and suddenly you own the problem. commercebuild is different. We don't rebuild ERP logic somewhere else. We use the ERP as the single source of truth and bring that data online in real time. That means your customers can support both B2B and B2C from the same system without creating disconnected experiences or duplicate processes. So, no duplicate systems, no fragile connectors, no added support burden on your team. You stay the ERP expert and we handle e-commerce. And importantly, you earn partner margin on every deal. So you're not just solving a problem for your customer, you're creating a new revenue stream for your business. And the best part is, this fits naturally into the customers you already serve. Most manufacturers and distributors are already thinking about e-commerce. Whether it's B2B, B2C, or a mix of both, the demand is there. The question is whether you lead the conversation or get pulled into it later when it's already complicated. With commercebuild, you can lead early, reduce risk, and deliver a solution that actually works with the ERP instead of against it. So if you have a customer exploring B2B, B2C, or hybrid e-commerce, bring us into the conversation early. We'll help you position it, guide the deal, and support you all the way through. Reach out to the commercebuild team to get started.